Hi friends, good morning. How are you doing today? Today we are going to draw a nice lemon. So first we draw the outline of the lemon. Then we are going to draw a cutting section so that we can see the inside of a lemon. How does it looks? Keep watching the drawing. Okay, so the total round shape is done. Now we're going to draw the holder section, the primary label. It has a few dotted texture like this. Each lemon has some dotted texture. Alright, and the cutting section in the middle, let's draw a bigger circle like this. It's a freehand sketch, so for this kind of drawing we need no instruments. We do the drawing and sketch with our free hand. That's why I'm using nothing here. As you can see, the inner parts, it's like whole round shapes. Now we are going to put the texture for the inner parts here. So it's going to be inward. The darker part will be to the outside border of this cutting section. Then the shades comes inward. So for each segment of this cutting section, we're going to put the shades like the same way. Let's repeat the whole process. When you do the detailing, take your time as long as you need. Nothing too hurry. As you can see that 3 segments are done. We're working on the 4th segment. Only 1 segment is left. Now we're going to work on the last segment. So the shade you see here, it's only outside border. Now we are going to work for the inside part too. Just the shades will be opposite to the previous one. So the inclination or the directions of the shades will be towards the previous shades. The location is the opposite. As you see that putting all these shades makes the visual outlook like a 3D one. Alright. Few outlines like this. Also we can put some shades for the outward surface of the lemons. This is the outside body of the lemon. By putting shades on one side, because the light is coming from the other side too. When you put the shades, we also put sometimes the cross shades, as you see here I'm doing right now. All right, now let's put some colors. Usually, you know, the lemon, it's greener in color, so we put the dark green outside and light green as we progress towards the middle point. Shades are getting darker here, you see. All right, now let's put a lighter shade in the middle point. The lemon is getting nicer. As you can see that I'm doing the same things for each of the segments. Now let's put some darker shades along with the outlines here for each segments, as you see. To define separately each segment, we can do drawing like this. Few final strokes for the whole lemon as we draw here previously. All right, if you want to put it on the ground or on some background, you can use this crayon color for making the background appearance. All right, it looks nice and shining. That's how the drawing gets a background here. You have to follow all the steps and the procedure as we're drawing and follow the instructions. Do practice at home again and again. You can do better than this one if you practice a lot. So this is the way how we draw a lemon, the whole lemon and a cutting segment here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video. Next videos we are going to bring more interesting drawings, and until then, stay well, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.